Yeah, but last time I did that, I fell like 50 bucks in there.
Yeah, I don't think they was moved.
Yeah, I'm not supposed to go up to the others and
I know you have to give an addition. We use this to
give them.
this. I don't know about exact addition.
Oh, you got it.
Okay. Use this to scan them. And then addition. Touch it, man. What screwed up? We didn't do anything. Let's off them. Oh, those things are, it takes a little practice, but with the little screws are there.
Okay, what's next?
What's next? Okay,
We did that.
we have to patch.
We didn't do that. This didn't say this.
Yeah. These are the 995s here.
Right. It's next in this way.
Do all that. Yeah, okay, so we're done.
This way. Stuck it on the thickness. So let's just shoot for this.
Okay, now rib 8 is we've got leaves.
Right.
We've got 20 rivets here.
Okay. That's that. You got that and that outside. No, this side. So let's look at
Rib 7.
so
You put in how many rivets?
big 22 on 5s.
Okay, so that page is all right. So rib 6. We have 11
System.
Now these boxes work for the entire rib. They the entire rib. You already have.
Boxes come from Sling from Vans.
Oh, that was the guy up in Indiana. That guy's name can't think of his name right now. He put together the put that together on his own, but he built the kit. Okay, now, so I want to look at this and put these. All right, so here,
If you take these two out, it's part full out.
right, if you look at it right here, it shows what these were really like. As they go together, the assembly thing. And the assembly goes this way, in order to make that work, these would have to be riveted from back this way. Go here. These have to be riveted from this side in order to make it work. They don't line up with those other holes where they have
We have to do something with it.
right. They have to do that. But the only way you can go together with those, shoot them.
Well, let's take this piece off. Okay, so I can shoot.
Yeah.
But we can put one. There.
Good.
All right. So those these two.
Okay.
acres of forage in that area, which means we didn't get the right ones last year. See, it's not that thing.
All right, good afternoon. November 720 Sierra. It is, oh gosh, Sunday afternoon, August 11th. And JR's here, and we are working on the tail cone assembly, as you can see. And we're just about to, we put in the AN3 bolts here. There's one on each side, and we're about to torque those down real quickly. We got the torque wrench out already. And then we can drive some rivets in here, and back here, and down here. And then this section will be done, and we gotta do this section. We'll do that right now. So we can finish up this section, and then we can move on to the ribs 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. Actually, it's 5, 4, 3, 2. Anyway, because we're trying to build the rear tail cone assembly, and then we put the longerons on, and then we can start putting some skins on, and this thing will start looking like a damn airplane.
November 5, Charlie Hotel Bravo monitoring.
Okay, so yeah, there's my ham radio. You can hear the guys in the background. Okay, so JR is torquing up these AN3 bolts right now. So they are in. And then we have to drive some rivets. Let me see, they're 991, and there'll be 3 of those going in. Let me pull those out now. And these are 991s. They are 4.8 by 5, 15 millimeter. And 3 of those. And let me see the rivet. Yep, already set for that one. So that's good. Okay, so
Chase.
yeah, we're gonna have to match drill those. I'm kind of anal about my tools because I can't put them back if I don't know where the heck they were in the first place. Alright. So I really like this DeWalt rivet gun. You can see I'm not using the pneumatic one. I have it, but I've been using this one and it's been working really well. And it's just easier to use. So those are done. And then he said, we've got Evan up here showing us what to do. So those are done. And then he said, once you've got those done, then you do the back section of rivets here on this afterwards. And what are we doing in there? What rivets are those?
We are just here.
I know, what rivets?
They are 995s.
995s, okay.
They should be
4.0 by 10?
by 10.
Okay.
Well, hang on.
Alright, got those right here.
Let me verify. Okay, now we're not shooting the rivets going horizontally, we're just doing the vertical. So let me make sure.
Now I need a 4 millimeter drill bit out of there. It's one of those top bags. It's 3. I don't like to match drill these if we don't have to, but unfortunately we're finding we do have to on some of these. I can't push them down far enough.
You have to match drill those?
Yeah, I couldn't get them to push.
Oh, very good. Breathe. Really won't do that.
Hang on. Back up.
I gotta move me right away.
Okay, really good.
Okay, we're gonna need you. What did they give you? Did they give you a
No. All right, so we're still working on this. Now we had to build a wedge, what do you call it?
wedge? Yeah, just a pulling wedge.
Pulling wedge, because these rivets are close to this, and we can't get the rivet gun down there without bending the thing, so he built a wedge for it. So now we think we can drive these rivets.
Make sure it's all the way down. Alright. Works on that result.
All right, so those rivets that we were up close to the edge, he built a wedge. Well, we cut it on the drill press, and now we wedged the rivets in using this thing, and it makes it go straight up and down.
Now, this material is from bands and their kits, and they have it's some sort of solid trailing edge that they modified or use material they use for that purpose. So it's got, I don't know, about a 15-degree angle or so to it. It angles out just enough to make it to make the tool be able to pull the rivet flat without tilting. That's how that works. That's very nice. Just holds up. I'm going to take it over there and see it a little better. You can use that with any size rivet. All it takes is a different hole.
Yeah, and so you can see the little wedge material here, and that's what he's talking about. We just put a drill press and then deburred it, right? So when you put it in, the mandrel comes out this way, but it holds the rivet straight. So when you drive it, it makes the rivet 100% straight. All right, so now this section is done and riveted in, and it is tough. It is not going anywhere. So let's see, what's next?
We're going to do rib 7.
Yeah, these two right here.
Okay, now you have it assembled together, I believe.
Yeah, we'd already pre-riveted this section here, but now does it go? Which way does it go on here?
It goes with the flange is pointed toward the tip.
Okay, so that goes up in here, like so, with the flange towards the tail. Okay. And which way do these rivets go now?
Okay, you're shooting those rivets downward,
Downward? Okay.
and we're shooting only, this goes on there as well.
Only the aft rivets first, and then we do these later?
Yes. You're only shooting, okay, you're shooting the vertical rivets in 2 sets.
Right.
That's
Does this go on this side or that side? No, this goes on this side.
This goes
Does this
facing,
go
the
aft?
flange goes facing aft.
Aft, okay.
Just to
So,
verify on the instruction, you've got 997 rivets on the forward side, probably 12, 995 rivets on the aft side.
those. Okay, yeah. Towards the aft, towards the aft. That's the aft. Okay. All right. So, what are we gonna shoot, these now?
Yes.
And what size are those?
Okay, on the forward side, they are 997, which will be 4.8. No, sorry, 3.2. So that's on the forward side, there's a 997.
And what's on the aft side?
995s,
Okay, here's 995s. You said 997s?
997.
Okay, we'll have to pull those from there because I don't have them yet.
They are 3.2 by 12.
So we haven't pulled 997s out yet.
Right.
All right, well, let's drive these first ones here. I've got these.
Okay. Rod, what you got?
995s. One.
Home and child.
Yep.
There you go. Much better one. You don't put silly things in.
Yeah. So we're using that wedge again in here, okay?
Down.
Alright. Those are nice and in there. And now we'll have to get in here. It's going to be tough because.
Okay, I'm on the hunt
Okay, I'm going to turn off the. Hold on. I'm going to turn this off because we got to find those rivets now.
for 3.2 by 12 millimeters.